2020 Cadillac CT5. Door doesn't open. I heard it was a spring or something, so took it apart. This goes, that's your door, right? This goes, anyways, the part that's not pushing down is that part. But the solution, try different things, including trimming that down. There's a little pin here I cut, so you're gonna have to cut this pin and that pin, and that should be it. That should not, that doesn't bother anything. It's this pin that doesn't let it down, but you have two of them, and I trimmed those down. Now this is the section that actually pushes down on here. It just doesn't travel enough when it does it, when you have these two pins on here and here. Cut those two off, put it back together, problem solved. And it's got the light on it on this one. I had to take the side with the lights off first. I was trying to do the bottom, and there was no way it was coming out. I had to, there's a screw here, and then two there, torque screws. But these two right here off first, and it was out.